okay. Arriving in a comfortable position with a mindset to do some wonderful work for yourself today, I'd like you to begin with your eyes open and gently, with a soft gaze, look directly in front of you. And just become aware very slowly, even though you're still looking forward, of taking in your full visual landscape as far left of you and as far right of you as you possibly can. So you're moving into peripheral vision. And just see if you can get a sense of how the mind slows down, how the ego stops talking, how peaceful and still it can feel when you begin to move into peripheral vision. And what's wonderful about this is that you can do this at any time. So I'm going to invite you to close your eyes now. And just bring your attention down just below the belly button. You may notice that your breathing becomes slow, low and deep naturally or by itself. Now focus your attention on your heart. The rise and fall of your chest with each breath. And I'd like you to bring to mind someone you are grateful for having in your life. Bring them to mind. See them looking at you. You're looking directly into their eyes. And feel that gratitude just surge through your body for having this person in your life. And I invite you to say to them deeply inside your mind, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. And may you feel loved. Now I'd like you to bring to mind something that you are grateful for about you. Maybe you're kind, maybe you're generous, loyal, determined. And let that attitude of gratitude just surge through you for the good quality that you're focusing on. And I'd like you to say to yourself, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. And may I feel loved. Now I'd like you to focus on something that you are grateful for having in your life. And let that attitude of gratitude just surge through you, igniting every cell, rewiring your brain to look for the good in life. Now bring to mind a memory where you felt joy, passion, and feeling alive. Get a sense of how you feel when you remember that energy surging through you from the experience you're remembering now. Now bring to mind a memory where there was something that you overcame, obstacles that did not get in your way, something that you achieved. And get a sense of how you feel when you bring that memory into your mind. You may get a sense of an attitude and energy of I can do it, feeling so alive. And I'd like you to look at your day ahead and get a sense of how it looks to you now with this energy, this attitude flowing through you. See yourself walking through your day with your I can attitude. What do you see? What can you hear? And what can you feel? And is any obstacles getting your way? You know what you are capable of. Now, could you feel grateful for having the type of mindset that does this type of work to train your mind to level up? Can you let that energy surge through you? So you're almost glowing from the inside out. Feeling alive, lighter, powerful, and just bathe in that energy. Now give yourself a wonderful inner smile knowing you feel lighter, more alive, stronger to manage your day to day. And you can open your eyes, give yourself a wonderful hug, and I wish you a wonderfully peaceful and present day. If you enjoyed this meditation and would love deeper and longer versions, please do visit my Mindset Change Another Level channel. The link is in the show notes. If you're unsure of what that means, you'll see within the episode you're listening to a set of notes. So you can scroll down through the app and there'll be links and any relevant information to the current episode you're listening to. And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with anyone you know could do with a morning mindset boost. I'm sure they would really appreciate it. And of course, help me surf the algorithm, the magical algorithm, by leaving me a review. See you in the next episode.